Hello! Before you roll up your sleeves and dive into crafting personalized messages, let's make sure you're up to speed on the OptiMonk admin so you can find what you need quickly. When you log into your OptiMonk account, you'll see your dashboard right away. First up, you'll find some statistics about your campaigns, like how many times your visitors have seen your campaigns, how many conversions you achieved, and your average conversion rate. Shopify stores can also see the assisted revenue their campaigns generated. Scrolling down, you'll find your top performing campaigns and their stats. To check out all of your campaigns, either click on the All Campaigns button on the right or click on the Campaigns icon in the navigation bar on the campaign list page. You can easily filter or search for specific campaigns. Lower down on the navigation bar, you'll find the Audience page, where you'll see all the subscribers you've gathered via OptiMonk campaigns. You can filter them to find specific leads, but what you'll probably be more interested in is the option to export them into an Excel file or CVS. Next, you'll find the Templates menu, where you can browse hundreds of pre-built templates. You can filter them based on your goal, like list building, stopping cart abandonment, recommending products, and so on. You can also filter by seasonality or message type, like embedded, sticky bar, pop-up, or side message. You'll always see some recommended templates and use cases on the templates page to help you choose quickly. Once you have an active campaign, you'll want to keep an eye on your campaign analytics. Keep in mind that assisted revenue information is only available if you have a Shopify store. And finally, by clicking on the small account icon at the bottom of the nav bar, you'll find key information about your account, like your current subscription plan, the number of page views available in your plan, and how many page views you've used so far. You can change personal details, billing address, and your payment method by accessing settings from the account icon. Alright, that was a lot, but getting familiar with the admin is a very important step towards making the most out of OptiMonk.